Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we're going to do a what I eat in a day video. These videos are meant just to act as inspiration for you so that you can kind of see what a day-to-day AIP Elimination Phase diet looks like. I have reintroduced just a couple of items, really just one. But I don't ever show those in these videos. So these videos that I do here and the videos on my channel are all elimination phase friendly, so anybody can have them. So I'm gonna have a cup of green tea, hot green tea. I do usually a decaffeinated green tea in the mornings, particularly if I need my brain to be working better, so it helps a lot with that for me. I'm gonna have a cucumber salad, which is just sliced up cucumbers with the Italian dressing that I make on this channel. I can link it below. And then I'm having these barbecue turkey pitas. Now, pita is not, normal pitas are wheat-based. These are actually the tortillas that I make on this channel, and I discovered the other day that if I cook them in the pan and then put them in the toaster oven or the oven, they sort of puff up, and then I can cut them and it creates like a pocket, like a pita pocket. So that's what I'm gonna show you. That's what I'm gonna eat this morning. And this is just the barbecue sauce that I make with ground turkey meat. So I'm just gonna have these ground turkey pitas, barbecue, with this cucumber salad, and that's gonna be my breakfast today. And then I will just be back with a video at lunchtime or if I have snacks later. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Okay guys, I'm back just making some lunch. I'm gonna have a salmon hash. I got had some salmon left over and I have a bunch of veggies and things like that I need to use up from the fridge. So I might show you a little bit of how I make it here. Otherwise I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right. Okay everybody, sorry if it's a little noisy. I've got my windows open because it's quite warm here today. So this is the salmon hash, kitchen sink hash, guys. So I just took, you saw, I had broccoli, I had green onions, just whatever vegetables you've got. I took a variety of vegetables I had in the fridge. I had one fillet of salmon that was grilled earlier in the week left over, and I had a bit of sweet potato, roasted sweet potato with onions left over as well that I had done earlier in the week. Just throw it all together. It's a perfectly nutrient balanced meal. It's super filling and it'll keep me well till dinner time tonight. So I'm gonna enjoy this for my lunch and I will see you in the next meal, right? See you at the next one. Okay, hi everybody, I am back with my supper. I'm just gonna have salad tonight. You can tell it's the evening. I've got my hair up and I'm cozy clothes on and everything. I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna have a chicken salad. It's got some fried ham in it as well, some AIP friendly ham. And that's just it. It's Italian seasoning that I make on this channel that I had on the cucumber salad this morning. So this is what I'm gonna have for supper. I'm hoping to have some cake tonight. We'll see. I'm not super hungry, so I'm gonna eat the salad. I did make some chocolate cakes that I wanna try out. So if I'm still hungry this evening, I will have a little cake as well, and I'll show you that too. All right, everyone, see you in the next meal. Here is the salad, everybody. So this is like ham that I fried, some grilled chicken breast, and some of the Italian dressing that I make with romaine lettuce. That's it. All right. Okay, guys, I am going to have cake. This is the chocolate AIP crazy cake on this channel, and just some whipped cream, coconut cream that I made. And I'm gonna have this big piece of cake. I've actually been craving this for about a month now, so I finally just made it. I'm gonna enjoy this, and that'll be the final thing that I eat this evening. I'll have some more water, and that's about it. That's it for today's What I Eat in a Day, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.